Hello there! It's time for our monthly product update again. I'm Dorina, and I can't wait to show you the new features we've prepared for you. If it's your first time joining us, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all our news. Ready to get started? Let's go!
We are excited to announce the new task connector that allows you to quickly connect and see task data from any third-party project management tool. To connect, as well as to edit the configurations and delete the connections between external tools and the Task API, you must have the Manage Task Connector right as well as the link projects and view task details via the Task Connector right under Integration Rights. To see the information compared in the Information panel and to connect single projects to projects in Meisterplan, you must only have the link projects and view task details via the Task Connector. In order to be able to see details from external task or project management tools in the Information panel, you must first connect the tool to Meisterplan via the Task API. As soon as you have connected Meisterplan and your tools, and linked the correct projects and resources, you will see a comparison between the allocations in Meisterplan and the effort in the external tool in the Information panel of the link project. This way, you can quickly take note if the effort in your project management tool is far higher than the allocations in Meisterplan and take appropriate countermeasures. We are excited to inform you of updated staffing and replacing options. You can now staff roles in the same easy-to-use overview as the Team Planner, as well as quickly replace roles and resources without ever leaving the Portfolio Designer view. To staff a role in the Portfolio Designer, simply select the three dots after the role's name and click Staff Role. You will then be taken to Staff Role mode, which you already know from the Team Planner. The resources are then displayed based on their availability. You can allocate all of a resource's available capacity or strategically allocate over multiple resources. Furthermore, if in the Portfolio Designer or the project details, you would like to replace a resource with another resource as well as unstaffed resources, click the three dots after their name and select Replace Resource. The new dialog will then open and display all resources with this role, sorted by their availability. Hovering over another resource will demonstrate to you how replacing the selected resource's allocation with this other resource will affect the selected resource's capacity. You can replace or unstaff the entire allocation, only the overallocation or a percentage of the original allocation. You can replace or unstaff roles the exact same way, by selecting from any role. This way, depending on your organizational role, resource management can be taken care of without needing to switch between views. We're excited to announce two further changes to the Portfolio dashboard. First, when configuring KPI cards in the Portfolio dashboard, you can now choose a new value, the number of resources. This helps you immediately see how many resources are in your portfolio. If there is no resource filter configured, it will count all resources. Second, you can now configure what is displayed in the detail list that expands when you click on a bar, column, or section of a donut chart. This improvement helps you have the information that you really need right at hand.
We truly value your input and active involvement in Meisterplan's evolution.
You're warmly invited to explore our product roadmap, where your votes and comments on existing, upcoming, or potential features help shape our priorities. Plus, we're always excited to hear any fresh ideas for new features you might suggest.
Should you wish to talk about upcoming feature, or need more information on Meisterplan, don't hesitate to write us an email at support@meisterplan.com, or for immediate assistance, visit our help center. We're always here to support you. Wishing you a wonderful day and looking forward to connecting with you next month. Bye!